Horses out, Tabel. Best to begin, moving upon as Prince Isaiah. Fierce and fiery, Dimazalang rushing up. Then comes Perfectionist, Endorser is racing in fifth. Win to win, Tabel, Olajuwon. Security Rose, then comes Flying Swallow. And Devoted Minstrel trails the field by about 14 to 15 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Dimazalang by about 3/4 Balenka. Right behind in second is Fierce and Fiery. Racing in third, Prince Isaiah. Perfectionist in fourth. Running in the middle now is Windy Wind. And Orser also moving up. Olajuwon comes next. Security Rose, Flying Swallow. Tabel and Devoted Minstrel. And it's still Dimazalang by only half a length. Prince Isaiah moves about the outside to take the lead. It's now Prince Isaiah. Dimazalang is down on the inside second. Fierce and Fiery in third. Perfectionist, Endorser, and Olajuwon. We have Prince Isaiah by Olalenka. Dimazalang is down on the inside second. Fierce and Fiery as they come down at the last 150. Prince Isaiah, Dimazalang is down on the inside. But it's still Prince Isaiah. Dimazalang is down on the inside. Prince Isaiah, Dimazalang once again, but it's still Prince Isaiah over Dimazalang. And finally, Prince Isaiah, Dimazalang, Fierce and Fiery, Perfectionist, Olajuwon.
Diba? Prince Isaiah crossing the wire first with the Gemo Tinte.